Hello everyone, and welcome to the ispyqueens channel. This is Anitra, and I'm a full-time reseller. And I also have a front case at an antique mall. So most of the things you'll see in the videos that I do is things that I source to put into the booth, but I also offer them to you guys as well here on YouTube. We have a Instagram channel, a TikTok channel, and a Facebook channel. So go over there and check those out as well. Everything you will need to know about this page is in the description. We accept Cash App and PayPal as well. We have a P.O. box, and we also do a flat rate of $18 for our Canadian customers, up to 11 pounds, flat rate $18 box. So take advantage of that. Anything else I wanted to say? This is gonna be a jewelry bag I'm bagging that I got from the antique mall when I went on a meet and greet with Princess Casserole and Doug from Vintage Boutique Cali. I had purchased about 4 or 5 of these bags on that adventure. So let's get into it. And some of the things I guess I can give you prices for that I may know, and some I will put to the side and research and let you know at a future date. This one was $6. Let's get into it and see if we can find any treasures. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully good. I am trying to get back to myself, so just bear with me. Yeah. Let's move some of this to the side. Ooh, please, nothing poke me, nothing poke me. Okay, we have, this is a weird looking brooch. I don't know what this is exactly. It has a maker's on it. What does that say? What does that say? And I don't have my loop. It's nowhere to be found. Oh, yes, I do. Goody, goody, goody. Goody, goody, goody. What does this say? I can't see what it says, you guys. I don't know what it says, but I'll put that to the side. It's enameled, an orangey color. Next we have this brooch. It has a C clasp. What does this one say? Let's say West Germany. This one's got a scratch on the pearl, but that's pretty. It's got a C class. We have another little dainty brooch. Silvertone. I don't know, is this girl? I don't know. I can't see that one either. I think my eyes are getting bad. That is not a Premier Design marking. It says something. So I will do a update in the community tab when I find out what these three brooches are. Ooh, next we have a brushed gold tone and kind of like a pewter color, sterling color. Oh, this one is a Premier Design. Oh, if anybody's interested in this one, we can do $6. $6. Now again, if you guys are interested in anything, put the timestamp of the items you may want and put the price that I quote. I would appreciate that. Next we have a Silvertone brooch. It looks like it's got some wear, or either it needs a bath there. But if you have one of those pens, you can touch that up. This one is a vintage one. Has no makers on this one. We can do $3 on this one. Next we have, ooh, a butterfly. The black stones. I love the black stones. Black jewelry. All the stones are on this one. Oh, but it's missing this piece. And I don't know, that might be an easy fix to put one in there. It's not broke completely off. And this is a Weiss. So we have that. And if anybody's interested in this one, we'll do $10 if I can fix it. And as is, how about 5? As is. And 10 if you would like me to fix it. I think I can fix it. All the stones are there. Ooh, next we have a pair of zebra earrings. They are wood. Here's the back, they're post. Let's do $4 on those if anybody's interested. $4. $4. Next we have a little pill box. An old one. Needs a bath. No makers on this one. We can do 4 on this one. $4. Ooh. Next we have a Silvertone bracelet. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A vintage clasp. Folds over. Could this one fit me? Yes, it can. Now these, honestly, these kind of bracelets I like because I can put them on myself. So this is a 7-inch wrist wearable fit bracelet. In very good condition. Easy for me to pop off. See any maker's mark on this one. Ooh, I think this is, what is it? Alexa, stop alarm. Alexa, stop alarm.
Cancel which alarm? Every Tuesday through Thursday at 5:45 a.m. or every Friday.
Alexa, the alarm that's going off right now. Jeez Louise. Okay, this one says SAC. I think it's Sarah Coventry. Let's do $15 on this one. This one is an excellence. No wear, nothing's missing. Clasp works. $15. Next we have a little, oh, this is cute, purple and pink. It's got little Silvertone hearts around them. This is a kid's bracelet, I think. 6 and some change. Yeah, we'll put this in a kid's lot, but if anybody's interested, we'll do $3 on that. That's cute. I think these are plastic, but that's cute. $3. Next we have another brooch that has wear to it, but again, if you have one of those pens, you can touch it up. Here's the back, no makers on it. Anybody's interested in this one, let's do $2. $2. Oh, look at this. This one needs a back, but look at that. Gold tone. Prong set. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna have to look this one up. Look at that. Look at the AB rhinestones on that, and it's got pearls. So I'll let you guys know on that one. Ooh, we have a little angel. That's what I think it is. I didn't even look at the front. Yeah, it's a little angel laying down. Brushed gold tone and gold little star. This one, like it's an AJ something. AJC or something like that. It's like indented. This is in very good condition. Let's do $6 on him. Ooh. We have another chunky brooch. This one is brushed gold as well. Oh, this is a Monet. Monet. That's in very good condition. This is a heavy brooch. Let's do $8 on this one. $8. It's a nice big heavy one. I don't think I ever ran across one like that. Next we have another brooch, vintage, the way it's made, shaped like that. No makers on this one. Oh, this one is missing. This is an easy fix because I have these stones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stones. These are like moon glows. And if anybody's interested in this one with me repairing it, I'll do $8 for this one, because I will definitely fix it. $8. Seems like it's a good quality brooch. Ooh, next we have a fashion ring. Look like all the stones are there. Gold tone. No makers. Let's do $5. Next we have another brooch, gold tone bow. No makers. Let's do $3 on this one. $3. Got a lot of brooches. I am surprised. Normally I get these bags, I never really get a lot of brooches on them. What did this say? Oh God, why can't I see today? Ugh. Oh, Western Germany, that's what it says. I don't know if I've ever seen them say Western Germany. This one's pretty cute. All the rhinestones and everything is on it. Wearable length on this one is a 7. On this one, a 7. Let's do $7. Yeah, $7. And this, the gold tone here is very nice. 7 buckaroos. Have a bag of we have a pair of Monets. Is that metal? Like a hard plastic. Here's the back. I don't think I ever ran across a pair like this either. And I done ran across a lot of Monet stuff, you guys. Let's do $6 on these. $6. Next we have a pair of, what do we say? Hong Kong. These are vintage. Here's the back. The backs are really nice. Let's do $6 on those as well. And these are glass. They're probably milk glass. They were screwbacks, but I can make these into post. Because here's the screw thing for it. So it came on. Other one's not there, but I can make these into post earrings. So let's do four on those, and I'll make them into post. $4. Ooh. Well, this is pretty. Oh my, it look like a angel. ABs on this is really nice. There's the back. This one is not marked. Let's do $8 on this one. $8. $8. We have a porcelain brooch. It looks like it's chipped there. If anybody's interested in this one, let's do $1 on that. It's more so like a craft piece. I can't fix that. Well, we have another ring that is missing stones, or 2 stones, but that is an easy fix for me. Well, 3. Adjustable. And if anybody's interested in this, I'll replace the stones. Let's do $5. We have a pewter looking heart. What is this? What is this? I will have to get back to you on this one. I don't know if this one's sterling or not. I don't have my stone to check. Or is it pewter? So this will be in the comments. Next we have a zebra, I take it to be. Here's the back. Let's do $2 on him. $2. Oh, next we have another brooch. I wish I had my magnet, because why that almost like it's gold. I don't know what happened. Oh, I got it. Woohoo! I gotta find my stone though. Okay. It's a pretty looking leaf. I like the cut in it. Let's do $2 on this one. Very good condition. I think this one may be pewter or just a good metal. It's heavy. Let's do $2 on this one too. The heart. Next we have, ooh, a bracelet. It's saying it's 6.5. Let's do it's not magnet. Let's do $5 on this one, and if it's sterling, I will leave it in the comment. It will be a no sale for 5 if it's sterling. But as of right now, let's do 5. I don't think it's sterling, but just to make sure. Next we have, look like maybe went to a rosary. These are pretty beads on this. I can definitely craft with this. We have another brooch that looked like it needs a bath. It's got a little scratch on the pearls. The back of this one. Is it missing anything? Don't really look like it. Just look like they're dirty. Yeah, I'm gonna clean this up, you guys, and if I do, even though it's got that little scratch on the bead, you really can't tell on the pearl. Let's do $3 on it if I clean it up. It's missing no stones. That's pretty. It's a good looking brooch. Just needs a bath. Next we have this little piece. That's cute. I think I'll keep that for crafting. Like you can do a bracelet with it. Yeah, I'll keep that for crafting. Next we have a brooch bowl with a locket. These are cute. Nobody's inside. Let's do $4 on this one. $4. Well, we have a leaf brooch. Oh, this one is marked. It's heavy too. It's Jerry's. It's a Jerry. Let's do $8 on this one. This is in very good condition, y'all. It's weighty. So $8 on that one. We have another brooch. Gold tone hearts. Let's do 4 on this one as well. No makers on the back, in excellent condition. And we have some Christian pieces, y'all. Oh, y'all know I love these. I love to make charm bracelets out of them. Trying to get them all. Like Pokemon, I gotta catch them all. So we got a whole bunch. Some of them are lightweight, some of them are thicker. You guys, some of these be sterling. That's why I like getting these bags from the antique malls, because they have these in there. And I can put them to use and refurbish them so people can wear them and enjoy them. If I have matching pair, I'll make earrings out of them. But we have those. We have, I don't know what these are. Tokens. Look like they got angels on them. If anybody know what these are, leave them in the comments, please. Maybe you keep them in your pocket for healing or to be blessed, maybe. I'll put one over here for Malik. I always have it. I'm having a purple in honor of my nephew, so I'll put that with that. And these two, you guys, if somebody's interested, let me know what they are. We have an angel shirt pin, a basket, another like a pixie or something, another shirt pin. This one is a JJ. Let's do $4 on that one. And this one, I don't know what this one is. That's cute. I'll do both of these together for $4 if anybody's interested. Let's do $1 each if anybody wants these. We have, ooh, a little apple, a little angel. You guys, I have a collection of pens that I like. I'm gonna put them on a nice cloth and show them to you guys. This is, yeah, apple, a cross, and a little angel. Ooh, this is a bee. For little pen, busy, busy bee. So we got a bee, an angel, a cross, and an apple. We got another angel. What else we have? Little footprints. Is that it for those? Yeah, and if anybody's interested, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do $4 for all of these. If anybody's interested in all of these as a lot, it's 6 of them. Like a foot, an angel, a cross, apple, and a, you know, yeah. We have some vintage earrings. These are not magnetic, so I'll let you guys know about those. They're screwbacks. We have another, so yeah, $1 on that. I thought I saw another one. We have some earrings. I forgot what kind of clasp these are. I'll put these in my earring lock. Oh, we have this heart locket. That's cute. Nothing's inside. I think it was glued shut. Yeah, I think this one had some problems. Let's do $1 on this one. It's cute though. Kind of wonder if anything was in this. Oh, it's an M. I think I might keep this one. That's a little M. I'll keep that one for myself. We have a heart, which will go for a charm bracelet. Oh, I knew I saw it. No, I saw another one. I'll keep this for a charm bracelet as well. True God. Trust God. Maybe I can make up some. No, I already said it. Let's do $1 on this one. I wanted to make up something, but I don't. Spoke too soon. It's just broken, so I will probably use it as a craft piece. I guess it was a bracelet. Oh, I didn't think this little bag was going to take no 30-something minutes. I don't know what this is. It's probably because I'm going slow talking. craft. Ooh, we have an enameled bee. Like it's got like diamond chips type of cut, like a what is it called? Marcasite kind of cut to them. Ooh, we got 2 of them. Enameled butterflies. Here's the backs. They're in very good condition. Let's do $10 for the set. And if somebody wants just the one, I'll do 6 for the bigger one. And 5 for the little one. But if you want them as a set, $10. Because these are cute. In very good condition. Very, very good condition. Here's another piece that I will keep for a charm bracelet. Oh, we got some craft pieces that came off of something. I don't know, was these earrings or what? Yeah, they was earrings. Clip-ons to be exact, but I can make these into posts. So yeah, I will make these into earrings again. Lavender, pretty color. More pieces for charm bracelets. Oh, we have a cute little cross. Oh, that is pretty. Let's do $3 on that one. That's pretty. Pretty. Have another cross pin. So how about, yeah, I can do it. I'll do, scratch this one being $1. I'll do these 2 together. For $1. So you, yeah, these 2 for $1. 2 for $1. Okay, next we have a little brooch. Let's do $3 on this one. We have a button cover. You guys, I have sterling silver button covers. This one's not magnetic, so I'll let you know about that one. Oh, we have another cross. $1, I'll pair it up with something. We have gold tone earrings that are not magnetic. It would be nice if these was gold. So I'll let you know in the comments. I almost look like it go with this. Oh, it does. But they're not magnetic. They got a little pull on them. Okay, so for the set, let's do $6 for the set. And if you don't want the earrings, the brooch will be what I said initially when I put it over to the side. But that's cute. That's a set. Cute. Okay. Ooh, we have some glass. Oh, these are like milk glass and sea bead earrings. This is milk glass and glass. Milk glass white and then that clear glass. CB earrings. Let's do $6 on these. If anybody's interested, 6 buckaroos. We have a mother of pearl bowl, which needs to be put in some vinegar. Get that rust off. We have that. This video is long. A bracelet. I don't care for these kind of bracelets that does that. I'll let you guys know about this one in the comments. It all goes together though, nothing's broke on it. It's just I need to find my scratch board. Yeah, that's how you waste time, nature, playing with these. We got a bunch of these extra backs. Oh, I don't know what that is. That's cute, but I'll check this one out. It's got a scripture or something on the back. We have another little cross. A hair clip. Okay, this is a tangle mess. This is a letter. Oh, it's right in there on that. Oh Lord, I can't see nothing, Jesus. It says 14K and something else. Come on. Come on, I wish you guys could see it. It says 14K and then it's got something other writing on it. Let's see if it's magnetic. No, it's not magnetic. That little charm that's on it is. So I will definitely check that and let y'all know. It's got a little silver piece, whatever that is. Wow. Oh my goodness. This looks sterling. Oh, it's writing on it. It says sterling. Come on. Ooh, this video's long. Right there, sterling. And it's got marcasites. Ooh, and pearl. With an extender on it, seems like. Yeah, it has an extender on it. So this is sterling. Cool. Cool, I'm excited. Oh my God. Oh, this is a gold tone little bracelet. I don't think this is real. I don't know. It's not magnetic. Ooh, that would be groovy if this was real. It looked like it was, it had new jump rings put on it. Yeah, so we're gonna check that. Because that could very well be gold. Because it is not magnetic. So I will let you know about this. Oh, these must be earrings or something. That's what I can make them into. I don't know what those are. Oh wow, what is this? "14-karat gold filled." Right there it says. Like it's hematite. The necklace got a little pull to it. We have that. It's braided rope chain. Oh, thank God all this stuff wasn't a big tangled mess. This one is not real, but it's a nice looking silver chain. Y'all can use a chain that's got a Korea on it. There. Oh, come on, we was doing so good, you guys. Okay, this is a zipper. Oh, it's a pull string. That's pretty cool. I like that. The balls are magnetic, but the chain, I don't think it's real, but it's cute though. Oh, let's do $3 on that. Ain't that cute though? Another plain chain that is not real. Doesn't have any pull to it, but I think it's fake. But we can always use a nice chain. Just needs a bath. And we have this chain. Alright, and that is it. That little bag was that long of a video. Jeez Louise. Alright, probably because I'm talking. Okay, so my favorites was Sarah Coventry bracelet, the vintage earrings, this set, this angel, this brooch, the Monet earrings, this brooch, these zebra earrings, the butterfly with the missing piece on the back, these little mini butterfly bees, this little guy, this sterling silver piece with the marcasites, this necklace from Germany, or Western Germany, I think it said, maybe. These sea bead and glass and milk glass earrings. Yes, I think, yeah, that was about it. That was my favorites. Please let me know what yours was in the comment. And until then, oh, and I like this little pill box. Until then, you guys, please stay safe, stay blessed, stay kind and courteous to one another, and always remember to check on your friends, family, and neighbors. And please remember to keep it real. Oh, yeah, this was my favorite too. Gotta check it out. Until then, I Spy Queen Anitra. I am out. Bye-bye.